Find features that distinguish it from other brands for VICTRESS Karaoke Machine with 2 wireless microphones, portable Bluetooth speaker for adults and kids with strobe lights. Karaoke speaker with PA system. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Multifunctional karaoke machine. The karaoke machine for adults and kids connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0, providing more stable and long-distance transmission to ensure uninterrupted gatherings. It also supports micro TF cards, flash USB, and AUX connections, and is compatible with Android phones, iPhones, iPads, TV, and PC. It is an ideal choice for personal gatherings, street performances, and gym teaching. Superb HD stereo sound quality. The portable Bluetooth speaker is equipped with a high-performance audio driver and an advanced digital signal processor, which make the sound clearer, the bass stronger, the volume more moderate, and eliminate all the noise. The karaoke machine is equipped with a 6.5-inch full-frequency speaker, which can amplify your voice, play the radio as well as stream songs, and it does not distort the audio even at higher volumes. You can enjoy strong, loud, and transparent bass and treble. 8 modes of color disco LED lights. This PA system comes with 8 modes colorful RGB lights and multiple lighting effects, allowing you to freely switch between different colors of light. The colorful lighting and wonderful music dance create a romantic party atmosphere, allowing you to immerse yourself in a pleasant atmosphere and experience the ultimate karaoke party with Karaoke Speak. 2 wireless microphones. With 2 wireless mics, just need to turn on the karaoke machine, put the AA battery, not included, inside the microphone and turn on it. They will automatically connect via UHF. You can enjoy the happy time of duets. Lightweight and portable. With this powerful portable karaoke machine, you can party wherever you go. This Bluetooth karaoke machine comes with a shoulder strap for use anywhere. The built-in 4000 mAh high-capacity lithium battery can enjoy 5 to 6 hours of uninterrupted playback on a single charge. TWS mode. Connect 2 identical karaoke machines via Bluetooth 5.0 and the powerful stereo sound will be synchronized so that you are surrounded by 2 channels. You can enjoy your music with optimum presence, power, and volume. Note, if you are not satisfied with this speaker system or have any other questions, please feel free to contact us before returning. We promise to offer you satisfactory solutions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.